So if you are someone who is thinking about starting a pig farm but you think you don't have enough money, so this will actually be your savior. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos, and also share this video to inspire someone who is ready but not having enough funds to begin pig farming. So there you have it. So you don't have any excuse. Now stop thinking about all those huge expenses. Hi guys, I bet you don't know this. So if you are someone that is interested in beginning a pig farm but you don't have enough money, this video is actually for you. Stay with me to the end of this video and I'm going to share with you few tips that will help you to start your own pig farm if you don't have enough money. So let's jump into the video. So we know that starting a pig farm actually involves quite amount of money. That is concerning the cost of the pig structure, the animal costs, maybe construction of where you are going to put their water, their feed, all this. Maybe you are thinking of using nipple drinkers. All these things are all expenses that you have to put together in order to start a pig farm. Also the roofing as well. But you can avoid all these costs by improvising, which will help you to reduce your costs drastically. So what are you supposed to do if you don't have enough money? Now the first thing you have to know is that it is not compulsory for you to make use of blocks to do your pig house. You can also use woods in your environment, or when you go to those wood shops, some of the waste or the woods that they are not going to use, which is not good for roofing, they pack all those woods outside. When you go to such places, you can have access to those woods at cheaper cost, which you are going to use to construct your pig structure, which is less expensive than using cement to mold blocks to construct your pig structure. So when you go to those places, you get those woods. Try and select the hard ones, the strong ones out of them. Come to your place and then start from a small place. Don't go creating a big room. Just create a small room. Let's say 8 by 8 feet is okay. You create it. The length and the breadth of the room should be 8 by 8 feet. That is okay. Or even 5 by 5 feet. You know, you are starting from a smaller place, so don't think of creating a big room. Just start with that little room that you have gotten. You can also improvise by using old roofing sheet. That is if you cannot afford big new roofing sheet. Just improvise by using old roofing sheet to environment, or you can even use rubber to cover your building, or special grasses as well that are in the bush that you can use to cover your building, which will not let rain enter the room anytime it rains. Or there are some thatches as well. There is a particular grass that they use in the villages that they use to roof especially kitchens. So you can use such grass as well to cover your pig structure, which is perfect, and rain will not be able to enter whenever it rains. So after doing that, then don't think of starting by buying a matured animal. Just go ahead and buy a small piglet. Let's say if you cannot afford 2 at a go, just buy one female piglet. Just buy one female piglet. Keep it in your farm. When you buy the piglet, you know the price of the piglet is lower than the matured pig. So when you buy a piglet which is, let's say, 1 month old, it's okay. When you bring it to your farm, you can keep it and feed it, and then make sure that when it is matured and it has come on heat. I have made a video on how to notice that the pig is on heat. So when it has come on heat and you notice that it's on heat, you can send it to a close by farm where they can cross that pig for you, which will be able to get pregnant and also produce for you to large up the farm. Don't think of starting big, or don't think of accumulating all the funds before you begin pig farm. So if you are on a low budget, then this is actually what is going to be a savior. Or if you can afford, just buy 2 females and 1 male. Or even, as I said earlier, if you can't afford all this, just buy a female, keep it in your farm. When it's matured, go and cross it in another farm, then it will be able to give birth and give you more piglets. So now another thing that you have to put in mind is that the feeding cost is another factor that you consider. But you know, there are a lot of grasses that are in the environment that pigs love so much. And also, even though you should not depend on wastage of food that you are not going to eat in the house, or food that you can also use some of those foods that are leftovers to feed those animals. Or there are grasses that are there in the bush that you can use them. Some leaves as well, like plantain leaf, cassava peels, and those things, cooked plantains and the rest, that they also feed on. That can also be a savior to you if you cannot afford the normal pig feed that you buy. And also you can also try to prepare your own feed, because the price of feed in the market, that is an already prepared feed, is very expensive. So when you go and you want to buy an already prepared feed, the price of that is expensive. But when you prepare your own feed, you are going to make enough out of it. So if you are someone who is thinking about starting a pig farm but you think you don't have enough money, so this will actually be your savior. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos, and also share this video to inspire someone who is ready but not having enough funds to begin pig farming. So there you have it. So you don't have any excuse of you not starting a pig farm. Now stop thinking about all those huge expenses. Just begin with the little amount that you have, and when everything goes by your side well, then you'll be able to scale up as you want to the size that you want. So thanks so much, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.